Nature conservation is closely linked to Eco-Schools and Sustainable Development Goals or SDGs through several key aspects. Eco-Schools. Environmental education. Eco-Schools teach students about nature conservation through activities like recycling, saving water, and saving energy. Community involvement. The program includes not just students but also teachers, parents, and the local community in conservation efforts. Awareness and action. Eco-Schools encourage students to take actions to protect the environment, such as tree planting, cleaning rivers, and running environmental awareness campaigns. Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs). Some relevant goals are SDG 4 Quality Education ensures all students learn the knowledge and skills needed for sustainable development, including environmental sustainability. SDG 13 Climate Action focuses on educating people about climate change and encouraging actions to reduce its impact. SDG 15 Life on Land emphasizes protecting, restoring, and promoting sustainable use of land ecosystems, managing forests, fighting desertification, and stopping biodiversity loss. By incorporating nature conservation into educational programs like Eco-Schools and aligning them with SDGs, these initiatives help create a generation that is more aware and proactive in addressing environmental challenges. Thank you to GGAF and Yayasan Petronas for giving our school the opportunity to participate in this Eco-School program.